Taiwan Earthquake. Over 1,000 quakes in 20 days. 80 quakes in 24 hours. Strongest at 6.3 magnitude. Taiwan was rocked by over 80 earthquakes in just 24 hours, with the strongest registering a magnitude of 6.3. Largely rural and sparsely populated Hualien endured a devastating 7.2 magnitude earthquake on April 3, 2024, claiming at least 14 lives. Since then, the region has been rattled by more than 1,000 aftershocks, causing widespread fear and damage. Buildings across northern, eastern, and western Taiwan, including the capital, Taipei, swayed throughout the night, with the largest quake measuring a magnitude of 6.3. Fortunately, Taiwan's quake-hit eastern county of Hualien experienced only minor damage and no casualties from the recent aftershocks. Major chipmaker TSMC reported no impact on its operations despite the seismic activity. However, with heavy rain forecast for the week, residents in Hualien are urged to remain vigilant for further disruptions. The Hualien Fire Department reported additional damage to already uninhabitable buildings, but no casualties were reported. Investors showed resilience, with TSMC's shares up 1.75%, despite the earthquake concerns. Road closures due to rock falls were reported in mountainous Hualien County, leading to the suspension of work and school for the day. Have you ever thought why Taiwan experiences frequent earthquakes? Let us tell you. Taiwan, situated near tectonic plate junctions, remains susceptible to earthquakes, with a history of devastating quakes in the past. This is all for now. Stay tuned to Jagran English for further updates on this developing story.